Hey, Brittany here from Zipify. Have you ever looked at the amount of mobile traffic your site gets? For us, it's in upwards of 85%. And through extensive split testing, we found some optimizations that resulted in a 25% increase in revenue. And because you should be optimizing for mobile traffic, we built all of these features into our new dynamic header for Zipify Pages. Through our testing, we saw that by simplifying this header, making the menu items more clear, plus adding these icons on mobile, our average revenue per user went up by $1. Average order value increased by $3, and our conversion rates went up 20%. And if that wasn't enough, when we added the store icon to the header, store visits increased by 86%. These changes create a more simple and easy to use header, and the stats show that it's way more effective. Let's check out how to set this up for your store. When you add the dynamic header block to your page, click the pencil icon at the top. This is where you'll see all of the options you can choose from to customize your header. By default, all options are checked, since this is what we saw worked well from our tests, but use what works best for your particular store. The preview at the top of the window shows you how your header will function live on desktop and mobile, and as you check or uncheck the various options, they populate in the preview. Under the Action section, you can see you have a few options for how the header will behave. By default, it scrolls with the page, or you can set it to be sticky or to only appear when you start scrolling up. We found particular success with having it appear once you start scrolling up on mobile and having it be sticky on desktop. Next, you can change the icon styles at the top of the header, as well as the colors of the icons. The actual colors will display on the page, not in this window. This is just so you can see the layout you're creating. Here's where it gets really interesting. You can check or uncheck things that you want to appear. We noticed a huge increase in visits to the store after adding these icons to our headers, which also added to the average order value of each customer. So we'll leave these on, but for this example, let's turn search off. And like with all our other blocks, you can click each element within the header block itself to edit. So you can add your logo, you can change the text and color of the navigation menu, and you can also design the call to action button just like any other button block. Now, when you publish the page, it will have a conversion tested dynamic header which displays perfectly on desktop and mobile. This dynamic header has been a long time in the making. If you haven't checked it out yet, log in and do so now. If you aren't a Zipify Pages user and you'd like to start building high quality landing pages for your Shopify store, visit zipifypages.com today. I'm Brittany. Thanks for watching.